We have talked about this stuff in previous videos, but just so you don't have to go back through all of our videos and watch them again, we are doing a quick van tour, but we do have more extended tours from the past. We did a 1 year, we did a 6 month, we did now this is our 1.5 years. Let's just do a quick overview of what's new. One of those things is our Overland Gear Guy window pillows, and these are made with Havelock Wool. They're handmade and they are super high quality. We weren't sure at first if we would need them because we love our acrylic windows, but the acrylic windows still lose heat, and once we put these up, pull up the shades, not only does it keep in more heat, but from the outside, we're even more stealthy. Last night we noticed that with those window pillows up, you know how you have those little pins of light come through these wonderful shades? It eliminates that. It's completely dark from the outside with these window pillows up. I also think that it would be helpful in warm weather conditions if you put these up to keep the sun out. Anyway, I really like them. Of course, we love Overland Gear Guy's stuff. It's made in the USA, and he's a really cool guy to work with. So we recommend that you check out his website below. I also want to show you the window shade, though, that's on the slider door. Let's take a look at that. The slider door window pillow. We put it in and pull the shade up. And our intention was just to leave it up overnight, and then we accidentally left it up, and we drove. We really didn't mean to, but then when we were driving, well, this is what happened. However, the window rattle has been something that we just haven't been able to find a solution for, and it's still not rattling. Listen to that. I really don't know if you can hear it on here, but I hear nothing back there. Just a little bit of like wind. No rattle.
So check us out, overlandgearguy.com.